Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Camelia and today's video is in collaboration with Urban Doll. Today's video is sponsored by Urban Doll. So Urban Doll is a Latina woman-owned company. They do DIY lash extensions. Their mission is to continue to make, you know, high quality, luxurious products for all women in all communities. So this is a collaboration that I'm super excited to be a part of. If you are a follower, you would have seen that I have done previous lash installation videos. But one of the questions I got asked a lot about was like, you know, how long did the lashes last, and you know, how do you take them off? I'm happy to be providing all of that information in this video. This is like a complete 360 of lash extensions 101 from start to finish. If you haven't already, honey, hun, sis, what are you waiting for? Subscribe for the ride. Turn on your post notifications so that you'll know when I upload another video, and let's get into this one. Urban Doll have sent me their Level Up starter kit, and so their Level Up starter kit is basically exactly what I just said, the whole lash application and removal from start to finish. They've trademarked In Your Dreams. Wow. Okay, so they've sent me 2 pairs of their segmented lashes. These are called Bedroom Eyes. I'm going to put it up close so that you can see what these look like. Okay, a lash bonding agent, which is really cute, comes in this black container. We've got the lash bonding sealant, so this seals everything. The lash removal serum, and lastly, tweezers. At the back there are some instructions. It does let you know that these are handmade segmented lashes or lash extensions, and that, you know, you should basically handle them with care. And if you're not already familiar with how to apply lash extensions, then you can refer to their website, which will advise you on the proper application and removal process. So these are the lashes that we're working with today. These are called Bedroom Eyes. I feel like it's giving scattered, fluttery, but still natural. And I like the curl going on. What's this, a decurl going on here? I would usually take the lashes out first and place them the way that I'm actually going to be applying them. So if you do decide to like take these out of the packet prior to applying them, make sure that you apply them in their shape. This is what the bonding agent looks like. Okay, what you would do is apply this under your natural lashes and to the segments.
Stardust in the moonlight is all I wanna see. Look up in the night sky, cause you're nowhere to be seen. Never thought I'd be the one living.
Now if you're anything like me, I don't like mine to be right at the corner because you don't want any kind of irritation. Obviously it's up to you, but I've learned not to put the lash like too far. So just so that you can see there's like that much space, which is a tiny bit of space, but trust me, it makes the difference.
Fantasy got me onto higher ground. I think I'm in too deep. When you heard me calling for you.
There we go. We've got our second lash in.
Already given up on someone that you love, someone that you love, someone that you love. Act like you don't know me cause you got too much going on. For someone that you love,
this is the final look. You guys have obviously seen me apply lashes before. I do have to say this was a very easy application, and it's obviously very, very seamless. I really love them. I feel like they're dramatic enough without being OD. Like, it's not over the top. You could definitely feel like you could wear these on a normal day and go to work with these and not feel so like you're overdone. The products, as far as me applying, so the bonding agent and the sealant, appears to be fine for me. No sort of fumes or anything like that. My eyes don't feel irritated. The only thing I would say for somebody applying these is take particular care of how far to the edge of your eye that you apply these and how close to the inner corner of your eye that you apply these. And that's nothing to do with the lash. It's more to do with it's going to make it uncomfortable for you. I know that just through experience, so now I know better, I do better, honey, okay? These lashes feel very light. I don't feel like I've got lashes on at all. So in the next scene, I will be back. I will tell you exactly how many days the lashes managed to hold up, if I had any kind of issues, and then we gonna be taking them off so that we can give the eyes a little bit of breather, and then you guys can also get a little bit of a tutorial. And we move. So last night I did remove the lashes. Last night was exactly day 6. You'll notice that on my left eye the majority of the lashes were gone, and on the right eye it was just like the end one. I promise you, every girl has that one eye. Comment down below, you know what I'm talking about. I feel like every girl has that one eye that never wants to hold on to the lashes. For me, that girl is the left eye, okay? And literally this eye started to, like, obviously I started to lose lashes on this side before I did on this side, but that's not something that's unusual to me. Every time I do lash installations, it's the left eye that starts to shed prior to. Don't ask me why, I don't know. I used the serum, which is, it's called Purify Lash Removal Serum. I will put it up to the screen so you can see, and it's literally just like, you know, like one of these. I'll show you, hopefully my thing's not going to be too blurred, and like it's a liquidy kind of solution. I understand that there are nutrients including coconut oil in this formula. I think the solution, the oil solution or oil based serum was super effective, not just from the lashes, because I feel like sometimes it's real easy to get the glue off of the lashes, but getting them off of your natural lashes can be a little bit of a hard one. I actually used some of this on some cotton pads, which you'll see at some point in the video, and just wiped off. I just sort of went down my lashes and then went up my lashes and removed the excess glue, and I had absolutely no problems. It's super gentle, there isn't a scent or anything like that, but I just found that the serum went to work really, really quickly. And I kid you not, guys, it says to leave it on for 2 minutes. I didn't have the solution on for 2 minutes. Like I literally didn't. It was about 3 a.m. and the kid was trying to film to get it off, right? So and this is the right eye. The right eye was fully intact, guys. So you know, that's how good it worked. Like when I moved over to this eye and I didn't have to put any kind of pressure, the lashes came off super easily. And then you will see in the video that I actually just got like a little container of like hot tap water. I basically used like a scent-free face wash that I just had stored away, and just mixed that in the bowl, and then added all of the lashes to the bowl. I let them soak or sit for a little bit, and then I used the spoolie that was provided. That's another thing, I was super impressed. Like they literally thought of everything, so down to the little sponge thing that you saw me applying the serum with, and even like the brush, the spoolie brush, they thought of it all. What you do want to make sure you do, guys, is definitely brush through and wash those lashes. And then I rinsed them off and then blotted them and literally just put them back in their container in their shape, which, by the way, the shape was not lost in the whole process of removal. This is what the outcome is. Literally, I washed these last night or early hours of the morning, and I've got them on again, and it's the evening time. So, you know, in terms of durability, they are perfect. What I will say about how long you keep them on for, I feel like even that is down to the person. So like how you sleep and what products you use on your skin. And as much as when we have the lashes on, we're not washing our eyes, we are using products on the rest of our skin, which your skin does soak up, and products which do transfer onto bed sheets and stuff like that. So as much as you might be trying to sleep on the back or sleep on the side and like avoid the lashes, you know, there are a lot of different factors you need to think about that can affect how long your lashes stay on for. So I don't really think it's fair to like say, you know, lashes need to last up until a certain time when it's 100% based upon the person and the lifestyle sort of a thing, you know. So if you think about the role that our lashes play in like catching the dust and protecting our eyes from, you know, all the environmental factors, those things are going to get filthy. So I don't know that it's such a healthy thing to be able to keep lashes on for that long. Now, granted, there, you know, there is such a thing as, you know, the Russian lashes that people get, and even when I do the individual lashes, those generally stay on for maybe up to about that time. But I think that what I like about these is that because of how quick and easy the process is, you can pretty much just remove them, wash your eye area and put them back. Do you know what I mean? So for me, I felt like that was definitely a plus, and I absolutely love these lashes. For me, I like to wear lashes and I like for them to look natural, and I feel like they're a really nice mix. They're not too dramatic and they're not so natural that you just hardly notice that you've got any lashes on, you know. I'm super impressed, guys. So I think that is it for this review. I had a great old time. Guys, if you haven't already and you do have any questions, do link them down in the description box below and I will get back to you. I hope for the girls that message me asking me, you know, how long did the lashes in the other video last, and, you know, how do you remove them? I hope I was able to answer those questions in this video. And obviously, guys, if you haven't already, give the kid a thumbs up, okay? Give the kid a thumbs up so that YouTube will see my stuff and be recommending the kids video, okay? Urban Doll, thank you for sponsoring this video. If you haven't already, subscribe for the ride. Turn on your post notifications so that you'll know when I upload another video. I'll see you in another one. Bye.